दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फुल्ली एक्सप्लेन एमसीक्यू। आज के क्वेश्चन में हम देखेंगे कि जो HCl का अमाउंट है वो कितना लगेगा अगर हम उसे MnO2 दैट इज मैंगनीज ऑक्साइड के साथ अगर रिएक्ट करते हैं, तो हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ HCl विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू रिएक्ट विथ MnO2। The MnO2 given is 0.5 gram of MnO2 is given, and this reaction is also given. The reaction is 4HCl plus MnO2 gives 2H2O plus MnCl2 plus Cl2. This reaction is given and reaction is in balanced form. Okay, this is given and amount of MnO2 is given. So with the help of these two data, we have to calculate the amount of HCl required that will react with the 5 gram of MnO2. तो सबसे पहले रिएक्शन में आप देखो, इन दिस रिएक्शन 4 मोल ऑफ HCl react with 1 mole of MnO2. So we have to write this data, that is 4 mole of HCl reacts with, that is equivalent to 1 mole of MnO2. 1 mole of MnO2. 4 moles of HCl is equivalent with 1 mole of MnO2. That means 4 mole of HCl will react with 1 mole of MnO2 with the help of this reaction. Okay. Now the weight is given in gram and we have to also calculate amount of HCl in gram. So we have to convert this mole into the gram. Mn is equal to 55 atomic mass plus O2 16 into 32. So total will be 87. That means 87 gram of MnO2 will react with 4 mole of HCl. So molar mass of HCl is 35.5 plus 1, that is 36. There are 4 moles, that means 4 into 36.5 gram of HCl. That means 4 into 36.5 gram will react with 87 gram of MnO2. Okay, this is equivalent mass. Now we have 5 gram of MnO2. We have 5 gram of MnO2. So 5 gram of MnO2 reacts with how much gram of HCl? So let's take it X. Okay, now we have to calculate X. For that we have to do cross multiplication. So X is equal to, do cross multiplication, 4 into 36.5 into 5 divided by 87. If we calculate all these things, then we will have answer 8.39 gram. That is equivalent to 8.4 gram. ठीक है, इसका मतलब है कि 5 gram of MnO2 will react with 8.4 gram of MnO2. So this is the answer. If you understood this answer, please like my channel, subscribe and share it. Do your study. Don't give any gap in your study. And score good in exam. And I know you will score very good in exam because you are unstoppable. Thank you for watching, my friends.